Hey students, in this question, we have to find out the number of substrate level phosphorylations that takes place in 1 turn of citric acid cycle. The options are 3, 0, 1 और 2. So, सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि what is substrate level phosphorylations. It is the formation of ATP formation. Substrate level phosphorylations is the formation of ATP at substrate सबस्ट्रेट लेवल मतलब क्या कि अगर कोई रिएक्शन अकर कर रही है और उस रिएक्शन के चेंज होते वक्त जब एनर्जी निकलती है और जब वो एटीपी या जीटीपी बोल सकते हैं, इनमें किसी में कन्वर्ट होती है, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं सबस्ट्रेट लेवल फॉस्फोराइलेशन. ठीक है. सिट्रिक एसिड साइकिल इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज ट्राइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड साइकिल. सिट्रिक एसिड को टीसीए साइकिल दैट इज ट्राइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड साइकिल भी बोलते हैं. ये माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में होती है. It occurs in mitochondria. Let us now have a look at the citric acid cycle or the TCA cycle. It starts when the oxaloacetic acid, or you can say OAA, which is a 4-carbon compound, when this oxaloacetic acid combines with acetyl coenzyme A, which is a 2-carbon compound, which is formed in the link reaction. When these 2 carbon compounds combine and form citric acid, by now this is the reason this cycle is called as citric acid cycle, because the first compound formed in the cycle is citric acid. This is a 6-carbon compound. ठीक है. Now citric acid changes to form alpha ketoglutaric acid. Alpha ketoglutaric acid is a 5-carbon compound. This changes and forms succinic acid. This changes and forms succinic acid. Succinic acid is a 4-carbon compound. Now succinic acid changes and forms fumaric acid. Succinic acid से क्या बनता है? Fumaric acid. और fumaric acid से malic acid बनता है. और ये सारे एसिड 4-carbon होते हैं. All these acids are 4-carbon compounds. Now this malic acid forms oxaloacetic acid. So this is how the cycle continues. At different stages of the cycle, energy is released and NADH2 is formed. The first one is formed when isocitric acid converts to oxalosuccinic acid. This reaction occurs in between these two reactions, that is when citric acid converts to alpha ketoglutaric acid. In between there is a reaction where NADH2 is formed from NAD, and this is formed when the isocitric acid converts to oxalosuccinic acid. NADH2 is also formed when alpha ketoglutaric acid is converted to succinyl coenzyme A. This from here NADH2 is also formed when malic acid converts to oxaloacetic acid. यहाँ पर भी NADH2 बनता है. ठीक है. Now remember here that जब fumaric acid से malic acid बनता है तो यहाँ पे instead of NADH2 एक FADH2 रिलीज होता है. ठीक है. FADH2 बनता है from FAD instead of the NADH2. Now here a GTP is formed. ठीक है. GTP is similar to ATP and it is formed from energy is released and GDP is converted to GTP. So here we can see that only one substrate level phosphorylation occurs, that is the formation of GTP, and therefore our answer to the question would be the third option, that is 1. I hope this was understandable. Thank you.